Opening music, soft, calm. Welcome to Baby Care Tips UK, your trusted guide for all things baby care and parenting in the UK. Today, we're walking you through how to bathe your newborn safely, with trusted tips from UK midwives. Whether you're a first-time parent or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will put your mind at ease. Section 1. When to give the first bath. According to the NHS, there's no rush to bathe your baby immediately after birth. In fact, many UK midwives recommend waiting at least 24 hours, or even up to a week, to allow your baby's natural skin barrier, the vernix, to absorb. In the meantime, you can top and tail them. We'll explain that too. Section 2. What you'll need before you start. Let's gather the essentials first. A baby bath or clean washing up bowl, a soft towel, cotton wool or a clean flannel, mild, fragrance-free baby wash, optional clean clothes and a nappy. Warm, draft-free room. Memo emoji. Pro tip: always have everything within reach before you begin, safety first. Section 3. Preparing the bath. Now, fill the bath with 2 to 3 inches of warm water, around 37 degrees Celsius to 38 degrees Celsius. Always test the water using your wrist or elbow. It should feel warm, not hot. Bathtub emoji. Remember, never leave your baby alone in the bath, not even for a second. Section 4. Bathing your baby. Step by step, undress your baby and gently lower them into the bath, supporting the head and neck with one hand. White tick mark emoji. Keep a firm grip. Babies are slippery when wet. Begin by gently washing eyes from inner corner outward using cotton wool. Face, neck, and ears using plain water. Body and limbs, use a soft flannel. Genitals and bottom, always clean last. Droplet emoji. You can use a mild baby cleanser, but many midwives recommend just water for the first few weeks. Section 5. After the bath, drying and dressing. Lift your baby out, keeping them wrapped in a towel straight away. Pat them dry, paying special attention to skin folds, under the arms, neck, and behind the ears. Put on a fresh nappy and cozy clothes. You did it. Section 6. How often should you bathe a newborn? You don't need to bathe your newborn daily. 2 to 3 times a week is enough in the early days. In between, top and tail using warm water and cotton wool to clean their face, neck, hands, and bottom. Closing section. Final tips and reassurance. Bath time is a beautiful bonding moment. Sing, talk softly, and keep eye contact. It may feel nerve-wracking at first, but you'll get more confident each time. Thumbs up emoji. If you're unsure, your health visitor or midwife can demonstrate during home visits. Baby emoji. For more UK-specific baby care tips, subscribe to Baby Care Tips UK and hit the bell icon for weekly support on your parenting journey.